Hi, my name is Devil de Beer, and I'm a accomplished truck driver with 23 years experience in transporting. I'm a good driver, and I believe that every day is a chance to learn new things in life. I'm a hard worker and very honest person. I'm not afraid to face new challenges in life, and I always try to do my best and learn new things. I have clean driving record, and I have a solid background in a variety of warehouse and customer situations. My responsibilities is to pick up goods and materials, delivering them all through South Africa. I am responsible for basic vehicle maintenance, comply with all safe work policies and processes at all times, to complete and verify paperwork for accuracy. Uh, I am committed to complete my route timely, safely, and effectively. I have excellent navigation skills, and I'm able to accurately read maps of new routes for deliveries.